Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel pending transaction on a Navy Federal. Very easy. First, you need to check if the transaction can actually be canceled. Just log into your Navy Federal account, via the mobile app or the website. Go to accounts and select the account with the pending charge. And then you want to look for the pending transaction. If there's an option to cancel it, then go ahead and select that. If there's no option available, then the transaction is already processing and not be canceled directly. Okay, so only if it hasn't started processing, then you can cancel it. And then what you can do is contact the merchant. Okay, if the transaction cannot be canceled online, you can contact the merchant directly. Request them to cancel or reverse the charge before it's finalized. And if the merchant agrees, well, you can ask for a confirmation email or a reference number as well. What you can also do is you can dispute the charge with Navy Federal, right? If the transaction goes through and you didn't authorize it, you can call Navy Federal customer service at this number, 188-842-6328. You just explain the issue and request to dispute the transaction. You may also need to submit a dispute form through the app or website. And if it's fraud related, Navy Federal may freeze your card and issue a new one. And then just keep monitoring your account. Keep an eye on your balance for updates. And if a refund is issued, it may take a few business days to reflect. And if Navy Federal is investigating, they'll provide updates on the dispute status. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.